box by the grocery door, little paws on the soggy floor, tiny eyes asking where'd you go, shivering under my old coat. Kittens in the rain, little hearts you left behind, trying to stay brave on a curb you'll never find. Tell me how you walk away from something that's more than afraid. Kittens in the rain, and I can't forget their names. One gray stripe with a crooked tail, one all black, just a strip of pale. They curled up in my folded arms, mud on my shoes, but they were warm. Kittens in the rain, little hearts you left behind, trying to stay brave on a curb you'll never find. Tell me how you walk away from something that's more than afraid. Kittens in the rain, and I can't forget their names. Maybe you were hurting too. If our love was something you outgrew, but if you saw them safe tonight, would it pull at you inside? Kittens in the rain, little hearts you left behind. I carried all their pain, so they never have to ask why. Tell me how you walk away from something that's more than afraid. Kittens in the rain.